Okay, today I'm reviewing 180, another game requested by Mildredsmittens. This is the 128 version of the game. As you can see, it's got nice music. Can you hear that? So, choose our joystick, start the game. And that's my opponent. No. I'm gonna shoot our darts. Oof, nearly the bullseye. The hand moves about a bit, so it'll make it more interesting. Ooh, that wasn't too good. Have some of that. It's 4-5-1. Now I am at the pub. I'm at the bar, and there's my opponent throwing his arrows. There we go. Have a drink, please. No. Let's go for it again. Ooh, nearly the bullseye. Oof. See if I can get a treble 20. Ooh. That's 397. Now basically, I got a drink off the nice kind of bartender right there. He throws his darts. So, as you can see, it's a nice little pub. So I've got 397 there. See if we can get a treble 20. Have some of that. Yes! If I can get 3 treble 20s. Oh! I wanted to get 180. Because I hear that if you get 180 it says 180 in speech. And I wanted to hear it. I probably won't get it, because it's not that easy to get the treble 20s, just like it isn't in real life, but you know, yeah. I mean, if you saw my YouTube videos, you'll know that I've got a dartboard myself in real life, but I need to buy some more darts for it. But I don't know why I'm telling you that for, because it's a bit irrelevant at the moment. Anyway, let's continue. It's a great little game. 197. He is my opponent with his darts. Have a drink, please, woman. Yes. So he's winning at the moment. Ooh, I wanted to get the treble 20, but I couldn't. So I can get a bullseye. Oof. It wasn't exactly a bullseye now, was it? Right. Oof. 152. It's our opponent. He's gonna throw his darts. Music's pretty nice. I like the music. Good on the AY chip. Right there. He's only got 32 to get, and I've got 152, so I'm not doing too good. Oof. Oh shit, wasn't it? 5. 1. 20. That's 126. We'll use our opponent. Aiming at double 16. Missed board. He's got to try and get double 16. Missed board. Missed board again. He missed the board 3 times. Oof. Well, that wasn't good. 20. We had double. Oh, you fake. I wanted to get double 20, but obviously missed by miles. See how he does. Yeah, he's got to get double 8 to win. Oh, he's won. And that's basically it. Starts again until you win him, and then you go on to other opponents. That's 180 darts. I'm going to give 180 darts a 9 out of 10 because it's very good. It's good if you like darts, and it's very good, well made game. Yeah. So that's 180 darts.